Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara Ortiz and I'm a professional makeup artist based in Toronto. In today's video, I want to talk about two products. These are hair products, the Olaplex number 0 and the Olaplex number 3. This brand is well known for repairing hair and it works for all hair types. About a couple of months ago, I made a video about how to use the Olaplex number 3 treatment. This one is designed to repair and strengthen your hair, especially if you are somebody who has damaged hair from heat damage, color damage, or just regular element damage. This treatment is great to restore your hair. Especially for the curly girl community, this product is very good to help restore your curls pattern. Since when the hair is damaged, the curls stretch out, but by using this product, it just helps make the shape of your curls come to life. Recently, they launched the Olaplex number 0 treatment. This is an intensive bond building that is designed to prime, repair, and strengthen. And the good thing about these two products is that combined, they give you the maximum repair benefits. These ones are the home take version of the professional hair treatments that you can find in the salon. If you're interested to know how to properly use these products and the results of this treatment, keep watching.
The first step is sectioning your hair, and I will start applying the Olaplex number 0 treatment. This product is a primer that will give your hair the preparation it needs in order to absorb properly the number 3 treatment. Make sure each section is fully wet and massage the products from root to ends. At this point, you can start using a detangling brush to detangle your hair. Always start from the ends and work your way up. After that, continue sectioning your hair and follow the previous steps until all your hair is fully saturated with the product and fully detangled. Now it's time to let the product sit on your hair for 10 minutes, and I'm just putting my hair together in a low bun just to keep it away of my face. I just wanted to mention that based on my hair length and thickness, I use this bottle for about 3 times, but it will depend on your hair type. After 10 minutes, I will apply the Olaplex number 3 treatment, and I will basically follow the same steps. I will section my hair and I will apply the product. Make sure to evenly distribute the product. You can massage it and you can use a brush as well to help you get the product evenly coating your hair. After applying the product evenly, I'm just brushing it and using a hairpin just to keep it hair away from my face. And for this product, you need to wait at least 10 minutes, but the longer, the better.
In 2 hours since I applied the Olaplex number 3 treatment, now it's time to wash my hair, and it's very recommended to apply a deep conditioner that is rich in moisture. Since this treatment doesn't hydrate your hair, it helps repair the hair. So you need to apply a deep conditioner to bring moisture back to your hair so it looks more natural, it looks more healthy and hydrated. So after doing that, I will style my hair and I will be back here to show you my final results. my hair after the treatment. And as I said it on my previous video about the Olaplex number 3 treatment, I really noticed that every time I use this treatment, my hair, my curls, they shrink. They look more defined, as you can see here, and it feels stronger overall. And combined, honestly, I didn't see much of a difference of combining the products. I have to say though that it was easier to apply number 3 because this is like water. It's very watery. When you apply it first on dry hair, you're just wetting your hair. Instead of using regular water, you're applying this product, which has more benefits to your hair and just add extra benefits. Just by adding water, it's just, detangling and smoothing the hair. But when you apply this first and then the Olaplex after, your hair just grabs the product so easily. It's very, very easy to apply, which is a plus. Something that I do want to mention is every time that I wash my hair, after this treatment, my hair feels so silky and soft. You can feel how the product really penetrates into your hair, which is amazing because you feel that the product is working. Something that I did notice is that every time I done it at this treatment several times, just the number 3. But with the number 3, I noticed that every time that I was using lots of protein products, my hair was feeling a little bit too dry. Something that I learned about watching other YouTubers and other videos about this product is that it's always very good to use a moisturizing deep conditioner. The deep conditioner will help restore moisture to the hair. As I mentioned before, this treatment is not designed to moisturize your hair, it's designed to repair the hair. So that's why it's very important to use products that will moisture your curls or your hair. That way you will get the most benefit out of the treatment. So for my styling, I did a deep conditioner, a moisturizing deep conditioner. I apply a smoothie cream and a gel. All of these products didn't have any protein, and this is the results that I got. See how shiny my hair looks. I do have a little bit of a frizz, but my hair is frizzy anyways all the time. But I do notice that my curls are more structured, are more defined, and overall it feels stronger and healthier. I highly recommend these 2 products. If you want to give them a try, go ahead and do it. They also sell the travel sizes, the smaller sizes, so if you want to just try it out, you can do it because they are a little bit pricey. They are $38 each bottle, Canadian dollars. And you can find them on Sephora usually, or also their website, but I bought it from Sephora. So thank you once again for watching this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and if there's any topic or any specific video tutorial that you want to see, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me some love supporting my channel, and follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Design Toronto. See you next time. Bye.